Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zuri Nagadia Karma. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you. So today we're talking business, business, business. If you've been here before or if you've watched my videos, I tend to encourage people to get their businesses online, to get onto the internet, to market better on the internet. But if you don't know anything about the internet, this is something that's not very easy to do. It might sound a bit foreign, so people tend to fear it, people tend to worry about it. But today I have come with a very, very wonderful program, a very beautiful solution that you can use to get your business running, to get your business on the internet. So please stay around. Hi guys, welcome back. So I got into this online space just recently. I've been doing things on the internet maybe a few months now, too, to be exact, if I'm not mistaken. And it all happened during the lockdown. I know there's been like a huge spike in people getting on the internet during the lockdown because people didn't have much to do and many of them were home, so they had to look for different ways to use their time, maybe should I say profitably, and to use their time wisely and to learn more about the internet, because it's clearly being seen right now, especially for us in Africa, as a very important platform for business, for marketing, and all the other things that it provides. It's not just being on social media and just enjoying catching up with your friends. So I was introduced to a program by a relative of mine. She's been very passionate about the internet and encouraging me to get into making money online, encouraged me to getting into earning commissions from a lot of things, a lot of ways on the internet. And during the lockdown, because we were all seated at home, my business was personally affected. I run a business in the education sector, and the education sector was hit really, really badly on top of my legal business. And this made it really hard. We were not handling any cases during the lockdown. Everywhere was basically shut down, and we had to devise means of using that time wisely to learn more and to educate ourselves and to start looking for ways to make some money on the internet. And a relative of mine, she's called Sherifa Nakalema, she lives in the US, shared a program. She's actually shared it with me a few months before, but I'd never really taken it seriously. I had never looked at it really seriously until the lockdown. She encouraged me to look to study it and know more about it, and that's exactly what I did. So during the lockdown, I got the program and started learning more, and oh my goodness, it changed my life drastically. After I started watching it, after I started learning what the internet is about, it's actually not too complicated. It makes it simple for the non-techie person like me to learn how to use the internet. We are used to just maybe getting on Facebook and posting something and scrolling without knowing that there's a formula to actually using Facebook for business, without knowing that there's a formula to actually using your Instagram for a business, without knowing that there's a formula to without knowing there's a formula to maybe using your YouTube as a business and how to make money from that. And when I studied the program, it's called Partner with Anthony. It's a beautiful program. It's run by a gentleman called Anthony Morrison, a brilliant mind in this online space. And this program focuses on affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically making commissions from selling other people's products. So you sell other people's products, but you market other people's products and you make commissions off of that. Please don't confuse that with network marketing. It's definitely not the same. So with affiliate marketing, you can make lots of commissions from lots of programs that you see on the internet. You're simply given an affiliate link and you use that to, if people use your link to buy products from a particular company, there are lots of companies around the world, you definitely make a commission from that. But this program is not just about that. He explains how to make money on the internet through all the different channels. He explains to you the importance of email marketing and the mindset of an email marketer. He explains to you the importance of of Facebook and using Facebook ads, it seems something complicated when you hear about it. But it's not just about posting something and those pop-ups that keep coming up with Facebook asking you to promote your page. It's not that. There's like a simple formula that you have to follow to create a proper Facebook ad that will actually convert and get you sales for whatever you're trying to sell. And he does the same for YouTube and how you can use your YouTube to make money on the internet, not just the affiliate marketing part. He takes you through a series of things that you have to do, how to create your own landing page where people will actually find you. It's like your marketplace, really, where people are going to get to know more about you and what you're selling. He takes you through quite a number of things, how to advertise, where to get things like solo ads, how to create a funnel. Like, all these things like foreign language, and it was to me a few months ago until I got into this program. It's a very affordable program. It's very cheap. It's only $7 per month, and it has a 30-day money back guarantee. So this basically means, like, if in the 30 days you're not satisfied with it, you can simply throw it away. You can just ask for a refund, and your logins to this program would be terminated. Or you could just own it for just $97 and you'll have it for a lifetime. But it's a very wonderful program, and I encourage anyone out there who is looking into getting into this online space to get this program, to learn from Anthony Morrison. I can't stress enough how important it is that you learn how to market and how to sell yourself on the internet properly and the right way. But who better to handhold you, who better to share this information than a guru in this space? And he takes you step by step. He makes it really easy. He makes it really simple. He has done for you solutions. He has done for you emails. He has done for you, like, he takes you through this step by step. And this encouraged me to actually start a YouTube channel. I'm one of those people who are extremely camera shy. I never thought I'd be in front of a camera. I never thought I'd start putting my face on Facebook. I've always been, that's more my husband's field, and this has encouraged me so much to get into this online space and to see whatever is possible with the internet. And I'm learning more and more. So I really encourage you to get this program. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. All you have to do is just follow that link, put your email address, and you'll receive an email from me. You'll receive an email from Zaria at zarianagaja.com. And once you get this email, it will just take you through the program. It will show you what the program looks like, what the inside looks like. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. It's one of the best business decisions I've made, and I'm very happy that I made it. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask when you get into the email description. Once you put your email, you can ask me any questions. I'll be sharing more on the program as we go on, but today it was just to introduce this to you. It's a wonderful opportunity that I encourage each and every one of you out there to get. And that's it from me today, guys. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.